So the problem we're looking to solve is to try to understand the economic impact of the coronavirus outbreak on the economy and more specifically on a city level. The approach we took can be broken into two steps. The first step includes the collection of the data. Through this collection, we managed to represent Chinese cities into a graph. The second step is we then take this graph in order to run a simulation that allows us to understand how the economic spreading of such an outbreak can be understood and examined thoroughly. One of the most interesting components of this project is that it allows us to think of alternate ways of exploiting our data. In this case, we thought of a niche way of using news data in order to understand how entities, cities, are connected to one another and how the economy is formed. And this is done without traditional classical way of collecting information from authorities. It's more bottom-up. There is a direction of research that us, as a community, we can consider, which is in parallel to these biological phenomena, we should be also thinking of how these phenomena can have an impact on the economy and how this can be modeled in order to understand their impact and maybe even ultimately predict it. I think the next step would be to try to validate further our initial hypothesis, because this will allow us to strengthen the second step, which is the simulation and the running of the experiment. Because as soon as the quality of the data improves, then you can have more confidence in the way you're modeling the problem and the way you're developing a solution. In fact, you can even have a kind of golden standard, or where are you heading? Is this correct or wrong?